All kind of banking, government, placement and competitive exams, please do follow eCHAT, a virtual learning platform. Hi guys, welcome to eCHAT, a virtual learners platform. And in today's topic, we are going to see about number system. And we are having majorly four types of number system. So first one among it is binary number system with base value as 2. What is base value? Base value is nothing but the number of symbols or digits used in it. In this we will be using only 0 and 1, and so only we have a base value as. And moving on to the next one, octal number system, and the values used here is like between 0 and 7, and the base value of it is 8. Moving to the next one, it is decimal number system, and the values used here are 0 till 9 and base value as 10. Mostly we will be using this decimal number system. And next one is hexadecimal number system with base value as 16. We will be using symbols between 0 and 9 for regular numbers, and after that instead of 10 we will be using A, and moving further for the case of 15 we will be using it as F. So it is a combination of numbers and alphabets. So this were the major four types of number system. Moving to the next one. So to have a clear idea about what all the numbers used for which number systems, so we will be having a table in it. So first one is binary numbers. So in this binary numbers, the values are like starts with 0, 0, 0, and 1 starts with 1. And moving further, instead of this 0 in front, we will be using 1 for the next value, because the values used here has been completed 0 and 1. So moving further, it will be like 1, 1, and moving further, instead of 4 we will be using it as 1, 0, 0, and the values goes on. And if you look into the octal number table, so the value starts with 0, and here the value ends with 7. After that the value is like 10. So how do we write it here? So adding a 1 in front of the 0 will be giving us the next number. So once this 17 is over, next number is given by 2, 0, and it will be moving on further. So next one is decimal number system. So 0 till 9, and once again it starts with 0 and with 1 in front of it. So this is how decimal number system works, and most of you guys know this number system we are using regularly. And hexadecimal number system, as we have seen earlier, so hexadecimal number system will be having from values 0 till 9, and after that we will be starting it with A. The value of A is 10 and B is like 11, and if it comes to F the value is like 15. And this is the difference of converting numbers. And what are the types of questions they can be asked you in this number system? Converting decimal number systems to binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. First, 127 power base 10, which is a decimal number system, and we have to convert this in terms of binary number. So how do you convert it? So this 127, so we have to convert this in terms of base 2. So it is like dividing this value by 2, and in that case it is like 63, and we will be having a remainder as 1, once again 2, so it is like 31. So 1 will be remainder, and once again divided by 2, 15, 1 will be remainder, so 2, 7, 1 will be remainder, so it is like 2, 3, 1, and once again 2, 1 and 1. Further we can't divide it. So once we get this value, we try to write this from the last towards the top. So in that case we will get the answer as 11111. That means 7 ones to the base 2. And how do you convert this same value 127 in terms of octal number, that is base 8? So 127 base 8. So how do you do it? So it is like 15 times and you will be having a remainder as 7. And once again dividing it by 8, it will be like 1 times 7. And try to write it in the reverse order. So in that case, we will get it as 177 and with base 8. And moving to the next one. So how do you convert the same number in terms of base 16? So as you have expected, same thing, 127 divided by 16, and you can say it as 7, and you will get the remainder as 15. Fine guys, if I want to write it, I will be writing in the reverse order. That means 7, 15, correct? But that is a small doubt for me, so I can't write 7, 1, 5. But instead of this 15, what will I write here is like, so I know A value is 10 and B value is 11 and 15 value is like F. So in that case, if I try to convert this, I'll be writing it as 7F to the base 16. So this is how you will be converting a decimal number to binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. And moving further, so next one is converting a binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers to decimal numbers. For example, this were the questions. First one is like a binary number and we have to convert that into a decimal number. Second one is octal number and we have to convert into a decimal number. Last one is hexadecimal to decimal numbers. So in that case, since it is having a base 2, so we start with the last digit and we will be moving further towards the left. So last digit into 2 power 0 and moving further towards the left, the powers of these values will be increased. That means 2 power 1 and next is 2 power 2 and next is 2 power 3 and next is 2 power 4. And 2 power 0 value is nothing but 1. 1 into 0 value is 0. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 2. 2 power 2 is 4 and into 0 4 0 and 2 power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8 and 2 power 4 16 16 and if you add this you will get it as 26. So this value is 26 to the power 10, sorry, base 10. And next 115 base 8 to base 10. So that is once again here also 8 power 0, this 1 into 8 power 1 and this 1 into 8 power 2. And if you go for this, 8 power 0 value is nothing but 1. 1 into 5 5 and 8 power 1 is 8. 8 into 1 8 and 8 power 2 is nothing but 64. 64 into 1 64. So if you add this value you will get it as 77. That means this value is 77 base 10. And moving further, so how do you convert this hexadecimal number to base 10, that is decimal number? So same logic, last digit into 16 power 0 and the previous digit into 16 power 1. So 16 power 0 is 1, 1 into 7, 1, 7 itself, and 16 power 1, but into A. So what does this A value means? So we know that A value is nothing but 10, so it is like 160. So total value we'll get it as 167 and 167 to the base 10. And moving further, so they can be asking you converting between a binary number to an octal number and hexadecimal numbers. That means binary to an octal number or binary to a hexadecimal number, or else octal to a binary number, octal to a hexadecimal, or hexadecimal to binary, or hexadecimal to octal number. What kind of questions they were being asking? You'll be following the same logic for this. So the logic is too simple guys. It is whatever may be your given base, try to convert that in terms of decimal numbers. Then only you have to convert it into the required bases. So this is how it will be moving. So hope you guys are getting it, and this are the questions they can ask you on a number systems. Please do like, share and subscribe 8 Live on a virtual learning platform.